Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about how to link your card to Coinbase. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get right into it. So first off, we're gonna link our card to our Coinbase. Since I don't have Coinbase and it's not really available in our country, I will show you or guide you how to do it step by step. So to add a debit card on your Coinbase account, you just have to sign into your Coinbase account, or you can just go sign into your Coinbase at coinbase.com. So you select the payment methods tab. You will see it in the top right or top left corner of your screen. Then you select add a payment method. After selecting add a payment method, you select credit or debit. You choose from those two. Then there you'll have to enter your billing address, which is really common if you really know what you're doing. And then you'll have to enter your information, the number, your CVV, and the date. So after that, you will see your debit card added to your list of payment methods. So it's just simple as that, really. So that's how you add or link your card to Coinbase, and thank you for watching this video.